Exploring the phrase, gray matter, in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase, gray matter. This phrase is not only fascinating in its literal meaning but also in its metaphorical usage. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about English idioms and phrases, this video will shed light on what gray matter means and how you can use it in everyday conversation. First, let's talk about the literal meaning of gray matter. In biology, gray matter refers to a major component of the central nervous system. It is found in the brain and spinal cord and is distinguished by its gray color. Gray matter is crucial as it contains most of the brain's neuronal cell bodies and is involved in muscle control, sensory perception, memory, emotions, speech, decision-making, and self-control. Now, let's explore how gray matter is used metaphorically. In everyday language, when someone refers to gray matter, they are typically talking about intellectual ability or brain power. For example, if someone says, "This puzzle really requires some gray matter," they mean that the puzzle needs intellectual effort or brain power to solve. It's a way of acknowledging the mental effort or intelligence required for a task. To help you understand better, here are a few examples of how gray matter can be used in sentences. 1. You'll need to use your gray matter to solve these complex math problems. 2. As a scientist, she really knows how to put her gray matter to good use. 3. Don't underestimate the importance of exercising your gray matter with puzzles and games. Notice how in each of these sentences, gray matter is synonymous with thinking ability or intelligence. It's also interesting to note the variations and related phrases. Sometimes people just use the word brains or intellect as a substitute for gray matter. For example, "He's got the brains for this project" is similar to saying, "He's got the gray matter for this project." And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, gray matter, in English. Remember, it's not just about the gray cells in your brain but also about the intellectual power they represent. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Keep exercising your gray matter, and happy learning!